We're excited to introduce public group conversations to Optix Inbox. This is a great way to help your users connect and build community right within your app without needing to have another tool. Public group conversations are a super easy way to build real connection among your members, whether it's for an organization wide announcement space or a home for your non members to engage after they retire from their membership. To create a new group, click on the Create New Message icon in your admin dashboard and then choose Create Group. Here, you'll name the group and add the members you'd like to include. Once your group is created, you can change the name, make it public, or keep it private and add a group image. Admin will also be able to see any public groups they're not a part of yet and join them with a click. Your users will see a list of public group conversations right in their mobile app, which they can browse and join at any time, helping to build that strong sense of community online and off. And it's all happening right here in Inbox.